husband is one that takes care of the family, like provides food, educates, pays the children fees, dresses the family. Majorly, a responsible husband is one that provides financially, socially, economically to the family. Then, a responsible husband is one that heads. Because the husband should be the head, a man is the head. So if you're the head, it means you must head in everything in that home. Then me, the wife, and the children are submissive to the head.
So can he still be responsible?
And responsibility moves with money. Yes.
The one who is loving, caring, and respectful to the woman. And then he has to make sure he keeps the marriage separate. If I've quarreled with you in the night, can it remain inside the bedroom? Don't go and tell your colleagues at the place of work that we quarreled ABCD. And then secondly, you must be considerate. If you come home, I'm not okay, can you please calm down? If I've told you I've not cooked, please understand. That is being considerate. Then, you must...
Okay, what about the loving bit now? What do you mean?
The loving bit of it. Love me in all conditions. Our love should be unconditional. Yes. Please show me the love that I deserve.
Arabic is one of the languages that is very rich in literature. So if at all you want to understand the meaning of Allah saying Ar-Rijalu Qawwamuna, the first question is you're going to have to translate Ma Ma'ana Qawwamuna. What does it mean? Of course, I know very well that some husband here will translate the verse and will be like, men are authoritatively advantageous over ladies. Guess what? Who is your translator of the Quran if that's the meaning you're having? The meaning is you have that degree of advantage over ladies with responsibility. And these are some of other meanings that are in line with the same word qawwamuna. This word qawwamuna is derived from the word qama. That's the first implication now. Qama literally means standing up. Someone who has stood up is literally active. That's the commitment now. You have to continuously be committed. The other meaning of the word qawwamuna now, mulaziman wa muhafizan. A man, Allah is literally training a man who is responsible, in particular a husband now, okubanga mbutufu while they are around, they are reliable in your story, and lastly, they have to be protective when it comes to you as a wife. So one opening question now. How many couples are here? Husband and wife. Alhamdulillah. Do you know why you're only a few? Do you know why? I have two options. Option number one, you will find a wife who will be like, omusajja otaaganze kuntwalako bwe. Atambula yekayeka bagende yomukokezi, gyanonyeza abakyala, oyo nomukyala akola ati. Waliwo omusajja munnafu wala ali bwekyo kati. Bw'anaddayo alina okuwoza. Ne wabeerayo n'omulala, angu endala. Ng'amazima gali nti wallahi I swear upon Allah. A husband who is here with a mukyalawo, the level of inconvenience you're having is not like one. And you know the inconvenience I'm meaning? Si mumbere ya kuduka bufunanizibwa. Of course, as a husband, when you're going to move with your wife, oyina kufuna katini no mmotoka kwa mwina n'abaana. Kiba kitegeeza transport avudde bwomu ali mbantu bameka basatu oba bana ezo ssente. Omuntu eyandidduse ng'enkuba etonnya otuuke mangu ewaka tojja kudduka oleke mukyalawo mabega. You'll be responsible